Hey guys, I know you can see me, and this is Chatroulette. What I'm doing today is I'm going to be doing a wall of shame thing-ish, where I come on Chatroulette and have a bit of fun. Let the game begin. My actual info is as red. Keep the cam clean. If you're not, you will be on the wall of shame on YouTube. Alright? Keep yourself to yourself, guys. Let's see how it goes. And their audio is off. We shall see what happens.
Yes, all we care about is somebody keeping them good vibes in the air now. Sing along now. I put that rock in your body now, down so nice. Keep them guns out of the club, I kill them this side. Do it up for the party, make them feel good. Goes out to every club, city and hood now. Put that rock in your body now. I'ma say it. Put that rock in your body now. Just keep on rocking and don't take it easy. Got to get out of the club if you don't feel it. We give it up, ain't no stopping. Everyone up in the club is down with the
Can we put that on the wall of shame? What are we on here on Chatroulette Wall, guys? Have a chat, isn't it? Usually we have a bit of fun. I'm not sure the actual guys on here actually get in the gist of it. It's not exactly friendly. With some of the guys. You've seen that. Ridiculous. So what does actually count on as a wall of shame? What actually counts to be on the wall of shame? I'm thinking guys that did smoking, you know, not the right stuff. Let's think. Guys with their out, with the junk out. What else? I'm not sure. What else should actually class to be on the wall of shame, guys? Let me know in the comments below. If you think it's going to be funny playlist, please click that follow button, and we shall see you soon.
I've got peace deep in my soul. I've got love making me whole. Since you opened up your heart and shined on me.
If you see yourself on here, make sure you leave a comment below. Congratulations, your camera is supported. Knob. That's definitely a wall of shame. Definitely a wall of shame, guys. Yeah, I only see your lips. Wall of shamed. Wall of shamed. Wall of shame. How rude. This music is DJ XESS. It's my uncle Simon, DJ XS Harrison. Absolutely kick ass. And I do have the rights to play this music on live on YouTube. Ha ha ha.
Let's play a game. What game do you want to play? Do you want to play a game? Hey, you! I'm talking to you.
Oh my days. That's just gotta be wall of shame.
Ecstasy.
Ecstasy.
Cause you're taking me high.
Nah. Can't put that one on wall of shame. It's a bit of a miserable one, that one, isn't it?
Cause you're taking me high.
So that has been it. We've got a 10-minute mix of... And there's the final one to master. The Wall of Shame. Thank you very much.